Hello, I'm Heather, the Divine Alchemist. Nice to meet you. So I'm here with my lovely tarot cards. So the reason why I use the quantum, the space nerd, I'm into astronomy. I really like space stuff. I have my calendar space. I have it all over my room. It's just what I enjoy. Um, I've always been into kind of like the sci-fi rom-coms. So this is kind of how I would view a love reading that I'm doing for you. So what I'm doing here is basically, I'll show you. It's a 4-card spread, and this is what we call the relativity spread. So basically what I'm going to do, here, I'll set you here so you can kind of see. It's kind of like, I guess you would call it clockwise. I start east. So I go for, this is your space. This is where you are at the moment regarding your energetic field. So we have space here in your eastern sphere. Okay, and then we have time. This is in the southern hemisphere. So your time is what may change in the future. Now, this isn't necessarily a prediction. It's just more so probability. It's just what could potentially happen, depending on free will, the will of the universe, and just, the ways of God, depending on what or who you might believe in. Okay, and then here in the Eastern Hemisphere, I have the Gravity card. Now, this is what's attracting you. This is what's coming towards you. And then we have your Relativity card here. This is in your Northern Hemisphere. Now, this is going to be your key to integration. Let me put you back up here. All right, so, and I have a couple other cards that I will pull to kind of help decipher, like, what exactly, like, pinpoint, like, where exactly you need to go or what's the best approach to take. So, here in the Eastern Sphere, we have, this is the Six of Swords. So if you see here, let me pull up my notes. All right, so this is called fermions and bosons. So this is essentially two different types of spin. This is about moving into the future. So let me pull up my little handy dandy notebook here, and I will give you the in-depth analysis. Six of Swords. Okay, so for the fermion and bosons, these are two groups of particles that have different types of spin. Now, a spin is a concept in quantum mechanics that describes a particular kind of momentum rather than actual physical spinning. The particles in an atom are all fermions, while force carrier particles are bosons. Now, no two fermions no two fermions can exist in the same state in the same place at the same time, but bosons can. The Six of Swords describes a parallel situation in life where we really cannot exist in the same place at the same time as someone or something else. This is the card of moving on to pastures new for the sake of our own inner peace. Here, the Six's sense of harmony comes from forward momentum. Unlike the Six of Cups, which is backward looking, this Six finds peace in moving into the future. So this is all about, this is where you are at your present. So this is your space. Where are you at the moment? So you are moving into the future. So this is what I would consider a positive card. So I'm going to send this to you in increments just to make sure that I don't, I guess send too long of a video. I don't know how your internet connection is, but I'll send this in like 5-minute increments and give you the full reading. So just let me know what you think of this first part, and I'll keep sending the videos as I do your reading. But this is this is your Eastern Sphere, the space where you are at the moment. And then next we will move into the time, which is what may change in your future. And this is in your Southern Hemisphere. So this is what you're moving in towards. Okay, so see you in a few minutes. Bye.